Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off driving mode on Android. Every Android phone pretty much has a similar interface, so you can easily follow the steps of this video. Now quickly head over to your settings of your phone, and then you'll need to scroll down until you find an option of Google. You can tap on it, and from here scroll down again and tap on personal safety. Inside personal safety, you have an option which says driving mode. Mine says silence notification while driving, but yours could say something else. But either ways, you'll need to tap on that option, and here you'll have an option to either turn off or turn on driving mode. Mine is a toggle option, but yours could say turn on or turn off also. So you can simply toggle this off, and as easy as that, you have now successfully turned off driving mode on your Android phone. That was a real quick and easy video. If you guys liked and found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, share, and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.